Assalamu alaikum. I'm Ruqayya Tariq and I'm going to discuss chapter 10 gaseous exchange with all of you. This is my lecture 2. In my previous lecture I have already discussed basic terms related to this chapter, that was gaseous exchange, breathing, respiration, cellular respiration. Now I'm going to discuss this topic further. Usually in woody stems and mature roots, there is a layer of pores in bark that we call lenticels. Lenticels allow air to pass. Usually in woody stems and mature roots, gaseous exchange take place through lenticels, and they found gases from soil. Aquatic plants get oxygen from water. Oxygen is diffused in water, so aquatic plants can easily get oxygen from water. You can see in this picture, this is figure 10.2 in your book, lenticels on a stem and the internal view of a lenticel. See, there are so many pores in this layer and through which gaseous exchange take place. Next we are going to discuss gaseous exchange in humans. Gaseous exchange occur in higher animals by respiratory system. We all know that respiratory system is a proper system in humans for gaseous exchange. Respiratory system can be divided into two, that is air passageway and lungs. That means in respiratory system, gases will pass through a proper passage that we call air passageway, and then gases will exchange in lungs. So at first we will discuss air passageway in detail. You can see this figure 10.3. You can easily differentiate in air passageway and the lungs. There are so many parts. We will discuss these parts in detail so you can easily find out the differences, and you can then see this figure again. So I'm going to discuss air passageway in detail. The air passageway consists of different parts through which air goes to lungs. First part is nasal cavity. Nasal cavity opens outside through openings called nostrils. There are two tiny openings that we call nostrils, and nostrils are divided into two portions by a wall. Each portion has fine hairs and mucus. Fine hairs filter dust particles from air, and mucus moisten and warm air. After nasal cavity, next part is pharynx. Okay, these are all parts of air passageway. So next part is pharynx. Pharynx is also small openings that we call internal nostrils, and it's a passage that is common to both food and air. That means food and air both passes from this pharynx, and it extends through the esophagus and the larynx. Air goes from pharynx to larynx part. Glottis is present on the surface of pharynx, which leads to larynx. Usually glottis is present on the surface of, or we can say floor of pharynx, but this extend to the larynx. Now I will give you an assignment that you have to write on notebook. Mention the parts of plants which take part in gaseous exchange. So this is a very easy question you have to write in your notebook. So today I have covered air passageway. We will continue inshallah in our next lecture. There is more in this topic, so we will discuss next time inshallah. For today, Allah Hafiz and see you next time.